Class 7. Subject English. Chapter 2.4 Putting Together a Class Magazine. English Workshop. Question 1. Write to a friend or a relative about a problem that you have to face. Ask for his or her advice. Dear Ishan, I am facing a problem in our school. Our English teacher insists that of the us speak and converse in English in the class. Though I make up my mind, I become nervous and cannot speak in English with my friends. I have enough knowledge of English, but I feel confused while talking. Dear Ishan, please help me to come out of this problem. Advise me how to speak English fluently without fear. Question 2. Activity. Pretty paper birds. Look at the pictures given below. Write the instructions for making these pretty paper birds using the clues given with the pictures. Take a paper, draw a circle, cut out the circle, fold the round paper, cut it along the center. Take one part, fold in the direction of the arrow, fold again as shown, cut as shown, fold upward. Now form beak. Your bird is ready. 2. Write instructions for making a paper article of your choice. For example, a pinwheel or a boat or a mask. You may find some of the words or phrases given here useful. Fold, turn, join, crease, upward, downward, upside down, right side up, middle, sides, corner, half, quarter, etc. Answer in next page. How to make a paper boat. Step 1. Start with an A4 sheet of paper. Fold in half, top to bottom. Step 2. To find center, fold in the other directions and unfold. Step 3. Fold corner down using center fold as guide. Step 4. Fold flaps up on both sides. Step 5. Put thumbs in middle and open out. Step 6. Until it makes a square, tuck corners of one flap under the other. Step 7. Fold up both the sides. Step 8. Put thumbs in middle and open out again. Step 9. Until it makes a square, pull corners out. Step 10. And press flap. Step 11. Open out to make a boat shape. Step 12. Your boat is ready.